Hey everyone, thanks for joining the channel today. We've all been there, right? That sinking feeling in your gut when you realize you might have fallen victim to a scam. Maybe it was a phishing email that looked a little too real, or an investment opportunity that seemed too good to be true. The world of cryptocurrency, with its exciting potential and relative newness, can be a breeding ground for these online cons. That's why it's crucial to stay vigilant and informed. Today, we're diving into a specific question circulating online. Is there a Bitwala scammer? What is Bitwala? Before we dig into the potential scammer situation, let's rewind a bit. Bitwala is a German fintech company offering a combination of traditional banking services and cryptocurrency integration. Think of it as a bridge between the established world of banks and the exciting, but sometimes volatile, realm of crypto. Why the scam talk? So, why all the chatter about a Bitwala scammer? Unfortunately, scammers are everywhere, and the anonymity of online interactions can make them even bolder. People might encounter fake social media accounts impersonating Bitwala representatives, phishing emails designed to steal login credentials, or even fake websites mimicking the real Bitwala platform. How to spot a Bitwala scammer? Here's where the power of knowledge comes in. Here are some red flags to watch out for. Urgency and pressure. Scammers often try to create a sense of urgency, pressuring you to act quickly without thinking things through. Promises of guaranteed returns. If something sounds too good to be true in the world of crypto, it probably is. Be wary of anyone promising guaranteed returns on investments. Suspicious communication. Phishing emails often contain grammatical errors or a sense of awkwardness in the writing style. Double-check the sender's email address. It might be a cleverly disguised fake. Unofficial channels. Bitwala, like most legitimate companies, will have official communication channels. Don't trust information or requests for personal details received through unofficial channels like random social media messages. Staying safe with Bitwala. Now, this doesn't mean Bitwala itself is a scam. In fact, they have resources available to help users stay safe. Here are some tips. Always access your Bitwala account through the official website or app. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Be skeptical of any unsolicited communication claiming to be from Bitwala. If unsure, contact Bitwala directly through their official channels for verification. Remember, when it comes to your hard-earned money, especially in the crypto world, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Final word. So, is there a Bitwala scammer out there? It's impossible to say definitively, but scammers are always lurking online. By staying informed and following safe practices, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there.